Revolutionize your workspace with DIY tech hacks. Is your workspace feeling cluttered and uninspiring? You're not alone. Most people struggle to create a productive environment that sparks creativity and focus. When it comes to our workspaces, we've all been there, stuck in a rut of clutter, disorganization, and inefficiency. It's frustrating, it's demotivating, and it's costing us precious time and energy. One of the main culprits is the sheer amount of stuff we accumulate. Papers, pens, cords, and devices tend to multiply like rabbits, making it impossible to find what we need when we need it. Additionally, many of us are guilty of inefficiently using our tools and software, simply because we don't know any better or haven't taken the time to learn. And finally, our workspaces often fail to accommodate our physical needs, leading to aches, pains, and fatigue that sap our productivity. So what's the solution? It's time to revolutionize your workspace with DIY tech hacks. By implementing a few simple yet powerful changes, you can transform your workspace into a haven of efficiency, creativity, and productivity. We'll explore some game-changing hacks that will help you tame the cable chaos, create an ergonomic oasis, and supercharge your workflow. Let's dive into some of my favorite DIY tech hacks. First up, let's tackle those pesky cables. With a few simple cable organizers and some strategic routing, you can banish clutter and keep your workspace tidy. Next, we'll explore how to create an ergonomic setup that will save your back and your eyes. By positioning your monitor, keyboard, and chair just so, you can work for hours on end without feeling fatigued. And finally, we'll look at some clever tech tools that can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. From apps that help you stay focused to gadgets that simplify your workflow, we'll cover it all. But one hack that really stands out is the use of a portable power bank. This nifty device is a total game changer. It allows you to power up your devices on the go without being tethered to a wall outlet. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, a co-working space, or even outdoors, a portable power bank gives you the freedom to work wherever, whenever. Plus, it's a great backup in case of a power outage or other emergency. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to set up and use. Just charge it up, toss it in your bag, and you're good to go. So there you have it, a collection of DIY tech hacks that can revolutionize your workspace. By implementing just a few of these simple yet powerful changes, you can create an environment that sparks creativity, boosts productivity, and makes you feel like a total rock star. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite DIY tech hack? Share it with me in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more DIY tips, tricks, and tutorials.